There's no doubt that a sleek wing eyeliner, an even cut crease, or a perfectly sculpted face can really help pull together your makeup look. But the key to a flawless face lies in the perfect foundation routine. Hi, I'm Avantika, and today on Makeup Basics with Maybelline New York 3.0, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfect and long-lasting foundation base using some of my absolute favorites. It's a well-established fact that not all skin types are alike. Ranging from oily to dry, and even combination, each skin has its own set of do's and don'ts, and therein lies the secret to a perfect foundation base. Irrespective of your skin type, go in with a good moisturizer and a primer before you begin your foundation application. If you have oily skin, a mattifying primer to fill in your pores is essential. And if you have dry skin, go in with a hydrating moisturizer to avoid patchiness and achieve an even base. If you're blessed with combination skin, you can use either or both of these easy tips. The perils of finding your right foundation shade that match your skin color and undertone are known to all. I've faced them too. But here are some quick tips that will help you find your closest shade and filter out the rest. Firstly, look at the veins in your wrist. If they appear blue or purple, choose a foundation with a pink tint to it. Green or olive, go for a yellow tint. The Maybelline New York Fit Me Plus Flawless Foundation has 16 beautiful shades, out of which 220 is my perfect fit for a flawless finish. Always do a swatch test along your jawline and check the foundation in natural light to determine how it sits on your skin and its true color. The deeper shades in this foundation range are great for cancelling out pigmentation as well. Now you don't need to invest in a new foundation every time you tan. Just custom make your mixture and you're good to go. The ideal foundation should be lightweight, long-lasting and give good coverage. Get your hands on the lightest and darkest shade of foundation from this budget-friendly range to make your own magical mixtures and match your skin tone perfectly. Fair, dusky or dark-skinned, this foundation hack has got everyone covered. In spite of religiously following a skincare routine, most of us have fallen prey to pesky pore problems that seem even larger when you have a full face of makeup on, especially if you have oily skin. Cleansing your face at the end of the day is essential to unclog your pores again and let your skin breathe. However, all you need to solve this problem is a matte full coverage foundation paired with a rounded kabuki brush. Take just a little bit of the product at a time and pack it onto the areas that have larger pores while pushing the foundation into them. This will act as a second film on top of your primer to fill in your pores and give your skin a seamless finish. Now you can go in on the rest of your face with a light layer of the same foundation for a natural look. Give your foundation a helping hand by layering it with a full coverage concealer in areas that require more attention, such as under eyes and scars or blemishes. I'll be going in with a light layer of it with a small fluffy brush instead of a sponge or a flat brush. This is a treasure technique which makes the application process swift while depositing just the right amount of product which prevents the skin from looking cakey. Sealing the deal with loose powder from the same range of the foundation will enhance coverage and longevity of your makeup. Use a fluffy or tapered powder brush only in the areas that tend to get oily after a few hours, like the forehead, under the eyes, chin, and nose, while dispersing the leftover product on the brush onto the rest of the face for a seamless finish. These essential tips and tricks cover everything you need to know to combat those skin qualms and achieve that impeccable face you desire. So gather these amazing products and embark on the journey to ace the base. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.